Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to assign different colors to different senders' emails in Outlook. This is a fantastic way to visually organize your inbox and instantly identify important messages from specific people without even opening them. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails so everything is ready to work with. Now that your inbox is loaded, let's get into the actual setup. Navigate to the View menu, which you'll find along the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are located. Go ahead and click on the View tab to open up the options available in this section. Under the View menu, you'll need to locate the View Settings option. This is represented by a gear icon, which is pretty standard for settings across most apps. Click on it, and an Advanced View Settings window will appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. From this window, look for the option labeled Conditional Formatting and click on it. This feature is what allows you to apply specific visual rules based on the criteria you set, which in our case will be the sender's email address. Now we're ready to start assigning colors to different senders. First, you'll need to configure the conditions for each sender individually. Click on the Add button to create a new rule. A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a name for this rule. A good naming method here is to simply use the sender's name so you can easily identify which rule applies to whom later on. Once you've entered the name, click on the Condition button located below the name field. In the Condition window, you'll see a field labeled From. This is where you'll enter the email address of the sender you want to apply this color to. Type in their full email address, then click OK to confirm the condition. Now it's time to actually assign the color. Click on the Font button and you'll see a color picker drop-down appear. Choose whichever color you wish to assign for this particular sender, then click OK to save your settings. That's it for one sender. To add colors for other senders, simply repeat these exact same steps, but make sure to assign a different color for each one so they're easy to distinguish. The more senders you color code, the more organized and visually intuitive your inbox becomes. And there you have it. You've successfully set up color coding for different senders in Outlook, making it much easier to scan your inbox at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.